Long time ago, before men had guns and snipers, many kings won battles with weapons crafted with hands and fire. But there arose a kind of people wielding weapons that made the strongest warrior shiver. Mere men built cities with walls as thick as chariot, but those walls dissolved at the feet of God's people without riot. Their victory was beyond displaying, their weapon was a mystery men could not explain. We are that people, and our weapon is our sound. Join us at Charis Center as we leverage on this mystery to dissolve age-long issues in the biggest meeting of the year yet, with the teaching prophet Bishop Faye leading the march alongside anointed mistress. It is the meeting you have been waiting for. Prophetic download is here.